So to draft your short, so you are going to fold your fabric by your hip measurement. So the hip we are working with is 40, so we are going to take it all the way down 40. We'll mark 40. So after taking your hip measurement like this, then to get the crunch length, that's the, so you minus your waistband that you want to fix on it, you minus it, then you take the length we use here is 19. So to get your crotch extension, what you do, you divide your hip by 20. The front hip is divided by 20. So whatever you have, you put it at the extension. On this one, if you divide 40 by 20, it's going to give you 2 inches. So it's 2 inches we are going to put at the extension. So on the curve, you just divide it by 2. So if you divide 2 by 2, it will give you 1. So that's what I used to do the curve. So I'll just connect to my length. Then I will come down by 1 inch to slant to my waist. Then I will cut. So then I'll put my waist measurement. The waist is 24 divided by 4 to give you 6 plus 2 inches. Then I will connect it to my hip line. You can see as I'm doing it. Then from the down part, I will just come in by 1 inch to tighten the down. You can see what I'm doing. I'll just connect it to my hip line as well. Like this, we are done with the cutting of the shorts in the front. Then cutting the back, then we'll fold and match. Make sure it's the stretching part that is at the side of it, or both for the front and the back. You can see that it not take it to the end part because we are going to come up by 1.5. We add 1.5 to go up because of the bump to the waist. Then you just connect from that crunch extension to the waist. Then you divide the back by 10. So 40 divided by 10 is going to give you 4. So from that your hip measurement now, you just take the 4, then divide 4 by 2 to give you 2. Then you just connect it, then you just connect, then you cut it, you cut the crunch, you just cut. So after cutting, that's when you now cut the front crunch. The front crunch that we did, you cut the front crunch. You see as I'm cutting it, so it's now you now cut it. So we are done with drafting of the short for our bum bum. So you join the front with 0.5 to sew it. So after joining the front with 0.5, then for the back, then you join the back to the front side with 1 inch. So you join them together. So after joining them together, show your pad to your short. You can see as I'm doing it, you match on it. You sew it carefully, don't rush it. Sew it gently. You match it gently, you take it. You can see the way I'm doing it. You just match it all the way down like this. So that is how you are going to do it on both sides of your. So make sure that when you are joining it, you are joining the up. You see what I'm doing? Then you match it on it. You match it. You can see as I'm doing it, you match it carefully, don't rush, just take your sewing gently. You sew the e-pad on both sides of your short. Once you're done, you can see it, see how it's looking. You can see how it's looking already. So after that, you shape the waist. You can just use 1 inch to shape all the way down. Use 1 inch to shape. Then on the down part, you pin your two crunch your two crunch together. Then you just shape with 1 inch. Just shape them with 1 inch, and you're going to love the results of what you're seeing. You can see it. Then the elastic, you can see the elastic is just 1 yard of elastic. Then you match the elastic. You start from the back waist. you start from the back, start sewing it from the back. As you're sewing it, you're dragging the elastic because you want the waist to be gathered, you get, so that you can able to wear it freely, you get. So you just match the elastic on it. Don't rush it, sew it gently. So as you're sewing it, you're dragging the elastic. You're sewing it, you're dragging the elastic, just like that. So that is how you are going to sew it. So to sew the hip part to your short, you just come down by 1.5 on your waist part. Then you place your hip pad on it to sew gently. So after that, you just have to just top stitch the elastic at the back of the at the back of it. After you've done it, you just top stitch on it very well. So after top stitching on it very well, then for the down part of the short, you can decide to hem it. You can decide to just leave it like that. You know, the material we use is not a material that loses, you get. So you can decide to leave it. So you just hem the both leg of it. So after you finish doing it, that is the end of the sewing of the hip pad to your shirt. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So this is the result of what we have been doing ever since. You can see it on the mannequin. You can see how it's transformed the whole mannequin shape. So you can see as the mannequin is turning. Then you can also see it on me. My hip is 37. Then you can see that my hip has increased. So you can see as I turn, you can see it. So if you know you like, you can give a try of it and see how it is. Thanks for watching. Bye. We'll see you in our next video.